We are heading out on a California road trip. Very excited. Have been cooped up for way too long. And I mean, we've driven up to San Francisco loads of times, but we've generally taken the more expedient, less scenic route, and haven't really gone north of San Francisco. Phil has, but I haven't. So there's a lot of this beautiful state we want to explore. So we're going to mainly be hugging the coast and stopping several times along the way, and looking forward to it. So this is our cute little home for the night here in San Luis Obispo, and it's really sweet. We have this really lovely garden down here where they're growing all kinds of stuff, the people who live in the main property. And we saw a kitty cat earlier, but we haven't seen it since, so maybe the cat's being shy. We have some chairs out here on the deck, so I was thinking maybe although we're only here one night, maybe we'll have coffee out here in the morning. And now we're going to go inside. And now we're inside, and this is our cozy bed. And we've got a recliner. I love recliners. Okay, and you'd think that we were going away for a month with the amount of luggage that we brought, but there's no weight restrictions, so we just went crazy. Sweet bathroom. So this place was incredibly clean, but it is COVID times, so I have wiped everything down with sanitizer nonetheless. Anyways, over here we have a full kitchen with everything that we need. Although I don't know if we're going to cook. We might just be lazy and get some takeout. And that's pretty much it. Well, this was something I wasn't expecting. We were driving along and all of a sudden we saw a bunch of zebras. So we're gonna try and get some shots of the zebras. So we are here in, where are we? We are in Menlo Park, second night, and we have a very spacious room. We actually got upgraded to a 2-bedroom room, which is more than we need, but we got the upgrade anyways. So we have all the space for this one night. But here is a quick tour of the room.